So you're sitting west, and you've led versus a suit contract. You've led an unbid suit. Okay, so the auction, the opponents are playing in a suit contract. If we want to give more context, let's say South is declare playing in 4 hearts, and the only unbid suit is spades, and you lead the 2 of spades. And the first trick goes ace of spades, 5 of spades, 8 of spades. Homework I assign all the time is you've got to really focus on trick 1, because that's where you get the most clues in counting out your bridge hand. It's going to be counting out points and counting out shape with this logic that we're doing here. So for group discussion, I know we all play all sorts of kinds of leads and signals. Okay, we're going to be playing standard leads and standard signals. So a high spot card, if it's attitude, a high spot card, interpreted as a high spot card, is an encouraging signal. And a low spot card, interpreted as a low spot card anyway, is a discouraging signal, just for our group discussion. If you're used to playing upside down signals, you're going to have to reverse that in your head, okay, while we're discussing. So first trick goes 2 of spades, declarer calls for the ace of spades, and East plays the 5 of spades. Now, my question to you, we're looking for the missing honor, okay, the missing honor here, because you as West can see your hand, West, and you can see the dummy, and you can see the first card played to the first trick in your partner's hand and in declarer's hand. So West is needing to know who has the spade queen.